Join Goodreads.com. This quick tutorial will get you started with Goodreads.com. Goodreads.com is a website for readers and book recommendations. Through Goodreads, you can track your book collection and your reading, set reading goals, create lists, read and post reviews and recommendations, and see what your friends are reading. You can also have discussions and join Goodreads book groups. Once you have finished this tutorial, you will be able to create an account with Goodreads, connect with friends on Goodreads, and begin to build your Goodreads bookshelves. To create an account, go to Goodreads.com, enter your name, email address, and any strong password you like, and click Sign Up. Once you have signed up, you will be guided through a series of prompts to connect with friends and start personalizing your account. Maybe you would like to connect with Facebook friends on Goodreads to see what they're reading. Click on the Facebook link and enter your Facebook credentials. Your friend's reading activity will now display on your Goodreads homepage. Click Continue. Next, you can set a reading goal for the year. This is called the Reading Challenge. In 2018, I would like to read 20 books. I enter the number 20 and click Take the Challenge. Next, select your favorite genres so that Goodreads can tailor recommendations for you. Select your favorite genres and click Continue. You can rate books using a 5-star system to receive personalized recommendations. Once you have rated 20 books, Goodreads will start suggesting books for you to read. Once you are finished with this step, navigate back to the top of the page to click I'm finished rating. Goodreads doesn't have recommendations for us yet, since we haven't yet rated 20 books. However, we can continue rating books later. Click on Done Here, see what's next to continue. You are now on your homepage. The Goodreads homepage consists of 3 columns. The column on the left contains information about your bookshelves. Goodreads bookshelves are personalized lists of books. You automatically have 3 bookshelves on Goodreads: Read, Currently Reading, and Want to Read. When setting up our account, we rated 3 books. These books are now on our Read shelf. To edit shelves, navigate to My Books and click Edit. Say we want to add a favorite shelf. We type Favorites in Add a Shelf and click Add. To put books on our shelves, we can type a book title or author in the Search Books search box at the top of the page. Select the book we want to add and then add it to one of our shelves. We are now adding Evicted to our Want to Read shelf and Kindred to our Currently Reading shelf. If we navigate back to the My Books page from the top of the home page, these books are now on our bookshelves. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. We signed up for a Goodreads account, we connected with our friends through Facebook, and we added books to our bookshelves. We can now keep track of our books and start to explore Goodreads more in depth. Happy reading!